Hello, Mrs. Bus here with your instructions for today. Today we're going to close the first chapter of our book. We have finished, and we are going to complete the last quiz for that unit, and we're going to also complete the final assessment for the chapter. So as usual, please report your attendance. You have a warm-up here. You're going to respond in the space provided. ¿Qué tiempo hace en el invierno? And the space provided for that is this text entry box that you have here. So that will give you your points for your warm-up for today. Then you're going to complete the first quiz. The quiz is the P-3. And as usual, I'm going to ask you to type your name, your last name and your name. And then you're going to select the class that you belong to. And then you're going to go to the first part. So you're going to look at the image and you're going to select the answer that best matches each one of the pictures. So I gave you the options on what to select. So you have the options, you have the image, and that's pretty simple. You just need to select the words that correspond to the image. In the next part, you're going to I gave you the letters for the seasons, and you're going to unscramble them and just make the right word. So please spell it right so you can get your points for that. And this one has part A and part B. So first you unscramble, and then you're going to tell me what that word is in English. Please, if you have any questions, contact me. You know that I'm available via email if I'm not at school or during class if you need me for anything. All right, so that's it. You unscramble your word, you type the word there, and then you type the meaning in English, and then you submit. Next, you're going to your final assessment. So for the final assessment, same thing. Remember, I give you points for typing your name correctly, and correctly means you're going to use capital letters, initials, and then you select the correct class. The first part is the listening part, and you have a listening part here that if doesn't work here, you can go, and I put the audio right here on the plan. You can go to the class plan, and you play this, and you're gonna hear some expressions. So read the prompt. The prompt is right here, and then you're gonna hear some expressions. You hear the expressions, and you are going to select among a list that I'm giving you here. You're going to select what expression would match the ones that are written there, which one would match better what you're listening to. Okay, so that means like if I'm asking you about your name, you're going to answer about your name. If I'm asking you about the weather, you're going to answer about the weather. I'm asking you about the time, you answer about the time, and so on. So you need to find the one that best matches. Once you finish that, you have the reading part. You're going to read this, and then you're going to answer these questions. It's multiple choice, so you have the choices there, and you select the one that fits the question. Once again, you read this. It gives you the information to be able to complete these questions. And the last part is vocabulary. So you have a picture, and then you have a list of words that you have been learning during this term and during this chapter. So you're just going to select the one that corresponds to the picture. Pretty simple. And then you submit. That's all the work you have for today. Please, we're going to start next class our new chapter. And here I put the new vocabulary for you to study, so you can learn the new words. And I also put the visual aid with the slides, and then also put the Quizlet, so you can practice your words like we usually do, and then you can earn your points for participation when we play Quizlet live. That's all I have for today. I'll see you later. Adios.